Upgrading to Windows 11 is easy. Here we show you how to perform an upgrade to Windows 11 using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, keeping all settings and compatible programs. Upgrading is by far the easiest way to install Windows 11. To do so, you must have a 64-bit internet-connected PC, running Windows 10, that meets the system requirements. If Windows 11 doesn't appear on the Windows Update page or you don't want to wait for it to appear, you can use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant to install Windows 11 immediately. It is best to save all work before starting. To use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, in a browser, search for Windows 11 Installation Assistant, then go to the first page in the results on the Microsoft.com website. Alternatively, you can go directly to www.microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11. Near the top of the page, under the Windows 11 Installation Assistant heading, click Download Now. When the download has completed, click Open File, or go to the location of the downloaded file and double-click on it. If you are prompted by user account control to allow the app to make changes, click Yes. In order for the upgrade to continue, you might be prompted to use the PC Health Check app to check the computer's compatibility. Leave the Windows 11 Installation Assistant running, and click Get PC Health Check. When the app has finished downloading, click Open File, or go to the location of the downloaded file and double-click on it. Click the checkbox to open the app, then click Install. Click Finish. The PC Health Check app will open. Under the Introducing Windows 11 heading, click Check Now. Assuming your computer meets the requirements, you should see the screen confirming this. You should close this window. Then close the PC Health Check window too. Back at the Windows 11 Installation Assistant, click Refresh. You will now be greeted by the Install Windows 11 screen. Click Accept and install to the license terms. The download will begin. The downloaded files will then be verified. The installation of Windows 11 will now begin. When the installation completes, click Restart Now. If you do not click to restart, the computer will automatically restart after 30 minutes. That concludes this presentation of how to upgrade to Windows 11 using the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. We think you will agree it is fairly easy. Thank you for watching.